welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll show you how to install drives in the OWC ThunderBay 6 external enclosure. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free work surface. We're now ready to begin. The first thing we'll need to do is remove the front panel from the ThunderBay. Simply insert the key that came with the ThunderBay into the lock on the front of the enclosure and turn it clockwise. You should then be able to angle the front panel forward and lift it up and out. Remove each of the drive trays by first loosening the thumb screw at the top all the way, then using it to pull the tray out. For 3.5-inch drives, there are a total of 6 screw holes, 3 on each side. These will line up with the 6 holes on the side of the tray. Set the drive into the tray, then secure it with 6 of the slightly thicker hard drive screws included with the ThunderBay. For 2.5-inch drives, such as many SSDs, the 4 mounting holes on the bottom of the drive line up with the corresponding holes in the bottom of the tray. All you need to do here is align the holes and use 4 of the slightly smaller included screws to secure it in place. Once you've secured all the drives in their trays, you can slide the trays back into their respective slots and secure them by tightening the thumb screw. Finally, slide the front cover into place so that the pegs on the lower part go into the slots on the enclosure. Then lean the cover up so that it lays flush against the front, and turn the key counterclockwise to lock it in place. You can also optionally install an M.2 Drive in the ThunderBay 6. You can access the M.2 Drive slot from the rear of the unit. The first step to do this is to remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the fan assembly in place. Once the screws are removed, you can lean the assembly forward, lift it out of the ThunderBay, and set it to the side. The M.2 Drive slot is located on the logic board behind the fan. Remove the retaining screw from the drive bay and we're ready to install the drive. There's a notch in the SSD module that corresponds with the pin in the drive slot. Align the two and slide the module into the slot as far as it'll go. Then, secure the module with the retaining screw you removed earlier. Finally, replace the fan unit and secure it with its 2 screws. Your OWC ThunderBay 6 is now ready to format and use.